I know, we're doing awesome and exciting things. It's mind-blowing. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. And today, we are going to make two things. Of those two things, they're going to be combined into one, because we're awesome that way. We are going to make Orange Sherbet and Orange Julius. So, for those of you that don't know what Orange Julius is, it is basically a creamsicle. It is an orange creamsicle. I've been told about it. It has been recommended to me that I do it. So we're doing it. Okay, one of the first things you want to get started with is the sherbet. So for the sherbet, just because of how small this is, we're going to use a half can of condensed milk. Now if you have a normal size ice cream maker, then you want to use the full can. But I'm just going to start with half, and if I want to, I can do this in batches. If you have a can, you want to use a 12-ounce can. Otherwise, use about 1 to 2 cups of orange crush soda. Then you just sit and wait and play the waiting game. So we're going to ignore the fact that it's been like 24 hours because I had to leave this thing sit overnight. Because in the directions, it says, hey, when you use this, make sure that it sits at least 24 hours inside of your freezer. So, it's been 24 hours. I left the ice cream mixture in there, but that's kind of what we're looking for. And I accidentally left the paddle in there. Oopsies, but it almost tastes like it almost tastes like orange Fruit Loops. Wow, that's yummy. So I'm gonna put this back in the freezer so that it doesn't thaw out on me. And we're gonna go ahead and make our Orange Julius. So I guess Orange Julius was started back in like the 80s. Literally the simplest of all simple drinks ever out there. But I'm sure that it is so refreshing and so good because one, I mean, I'm a big fan of orange juice, so I mean, really, is it that bad? It can't be that bad. And judging by the fact that there's milk in it, probably means it tastes more like a creamsicle. So, Alright, we're going to add a cup of milk. We're going to add a 1/3 cup of sugar. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to add 1 can of orange juice. Alright, so we got our frozen orange juice in here. Now, apparently, 12 ice cubes is a thing. Not 10 or 30 or a cup. No, 12. Apparently 12 is like the magic number. So we're going to add 12 ice cubes. Okay, so we got it pulsed. Yeah, I've never had this before. It smells good though. Ooh, it's nice and thick. It's like a super... Like, that's like a real orange creamsicle. Like, if they used real orange juice, that's what that is. Alright, enough of eating this. Let's make our float. Alright, then you're going to take some of your sherbet, and you're just going to plop it right on there. And there you have it, an Orange Julius Orange Crush Sherbet float. I know, that's a mouthful. I still have my little green St. Patty's Day straws. I'm just not going to say anything. So this is absolutely fantastic. I don't know where this has been all my life, but this is amazing. And I know there's a lot of orange in here. That just means there's a lot of vitamin C in here. Oh, that's so good. I'm just going to sit here and drink this all day. That was... Well, I have found my new favorite thing. Well, there you have it. Lots of things with orange in it. Just kidding. Orange Crush Sherbet and Orange Julius float. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, hit that like button, comment down below, let me know what else I need to do. And on that note, peace out, guys.